Sarah loves social media. She checks Instagram every morning. She posts photos on Facebook. But today is different. Today, Sarah will try 24 hours without social media. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Deep breath. I can do this. No social media for 24 hours. Oh no, a notification. I want to check. No, I made a promise.
Sarah, breakfast is ready.
Coming, Mom.
Good morning. You're early today. Usually you stay in bed with your phone.
Hi, Mom. Today is special. No social media for 24 hours.
Really? That's wonderful. Why?
I spend too much time on my phone. I want to try real life.
That's a good idea. Here, eat some eggs and toast.
Thank you. Mom, these eggs taste really good.
Same recipe. Maybe you notice more when you're not looking at your phone.
You're right. Usually I scroll through Instagram while eating.
How about visiting your grandmother today?
Grandma? Yes, great idea.
Sarah walks to her grandmother's house. Her phone is in her bag. Her eyes are open.
This feels strange. My hands feel empty. Oh, birds. I never noticed them before. They sound beautiful.
Good morning, Sarah. No phone in your hand?
Yes, I'm trying 24 hours without social media.
Wonderful. Young people are always on their phones. My garden is blooming. Would you like to see?
Yes, I'd love to.
Look at these roses. Red, pink, and yellow.
Wow, they're amazing. The smell is so sweet and fresh.
Here, take one for your grandmother.
Thank you so much. I walk past here every day, but I never stopped to talk.
Because you're always looking at your phone. Today you look up. Today you see the world.
You're absolutely right.
Oh, Sarah, what a wonderful surprise.
Hi, Grandma. I missed you. Look, a rose from Mr. Chen's garden.
How beautiful. Come in, I'll make tea.
Let me help you, Grandma.
Such a good girl. What brings you here today?
I'm doing something different. No social media for 24 hours. I wanted to spend time with you.
That's excellent, Sarah. I worry about you, always on that little screen.
You were right, Grandma. I spend 5, maybe 6 hours every day on social media.
6 hours? That's a lot of time. Here, drink your tea.
Delicious. Grandma, tell me stories about when you were young.
We didn't have phones. We wrote letters. We waited days for replies.
That sounds beautiful. Now I get hundreds of messages, but I forget them immediately.
Fast is not always better. Slow can be more meaningful. Sarah, would you like to help me bake cookies?
Yes, I haven't baked in years. Grandma, how much sugar?
2 cups. Now mix slowly.
This is fun. My hands are messy, but I like it.
Messy hands mean you're creating something real. Now add the chocolate chips.
Oh no, I want to take a photo for Instagram. Wait, no social media.
Do you need a photo? Can't you just enjoy the moment?
You're right. This moment is just for us.
Exactly. Not everything needs to be public.
I never thought about it that way. I always post everything.
Do you need a photo? Can't you just enjoy the moment?
You're right. This moment is just for us.
Exactly. Not everything needs to be public.
I never thought about it that way. I always post everything.
But is your life interesting because you post it or because you live it?
Wow. I think I forgot to actually live. I was too busy posting.
Today you're living, not posting. How does it feel?
It feels good. I feel more real.
After lunch, Sarah walks to the park. She sits on a bench under a big tree.
Excuse me, miss? Can you help me? My ball went over there.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I'm Lily. Can you play with me, please?
Sure. Why not?
Sarah plays with Lily for 30 minutes. She runs, she laughs, she doesn't think about her phone once.
You're fun, Sarah.
Lily, we need to go home. Say thank you.
Bye, Sarah.
This morning I was scared, but now this feels like freedom. I talked to Mr. Chen, I baked with Grandma, I played with Lily. All real moments. No cameras, no filters, no likes. Just life.
Sarah, is that you? No phone? That's strange.
I'm doing 24 hours without social media.
Wow, I couldn't do it. I check my phone every 5 minutes.
I was the same, but today I have time. Real time. I visited my grandma, I baked cookies, I played with a kid, I noticed birds, flowers, people. I feel awake.
Awake? Before, my body was here, but my mind was always in my phone, never really present. I never thought about it like that.
Want to walk with me? We can talk.
Sure.
Sarah and Jake walk through the quiet streets. The sun is setting.
Look at the sky. Beautiful colors.
Yes, I usually miss the sunset because I'm looking at my phone.
Why do we spend so much time on social media?
Fear of missing out. We're scared to miss something online, but we miss everything offline.
We miss real sunsets while watching fake lives on Instagram.
Exactly. Everyone posts perfect photos, but it's not real, and we feel bad because our life isn't perfect like theirs.
Maybe I should try it too. One day without social media.
You should. It's scary at first, but then it's liberating.
Welcome back. How was your day?
Mom, it was amazing. The best day in months.
You look happy. Your eyes are bright.
I feel happy, real happy, not fake Instagram happy.
Will you continue? No more social media?
Maybe I'll use it less, 30 minutes a day instead of 6 hours. Balance is important.
That's a smart plan. I'm proud of you, Sarah.
Thank you, Mom.
It's midnight. 24 hours are complete. Sarah can use social media again.
I can check my phone now, but I don't want to. Not right now. I want to remember today. Grandma's smile, warm cookies, Lily's laugh, the pink sunset, real moments. Maybe tomorrow I'll post something, but it will be different. I won't live for the likes. I'll live for the moments. Today I learned something important. The best moments can't fit in a screen. They exist in the present, in the now.
Good night, world. See you tomorrow. The real you.
Sarah's challenge is complete. She learned to live without a screen in front of her face. Will she go back to social media? Maybe, but she'll never forget this day, the day she discovered real life is better than online life. Thank you for listening. If you're always on social media, maybe try Sarah's challenge, 24 hours without it. You might discover something beautiful. Remember, life is happening now, not on your screen. Look up, look around, live.